so terrified of feeling shamed. Can you stop, can everyone out there stop worrying about, stop worrying about being shamed. Stop worrying about being canceled because someone doesn't like a like twist emoji. Tell them to blank the ever-loving blank off. It's not the nicest thing to say, but it'll get the point across.
FM 98.5, AM 680 WPTF. News on the hour, on the half, and when it breaks. Covering the triangle for more than 90 years. FM 98.5, AM 680 WPTF.
In Front End Radio, he's Eric Carly, and I'm Gary McNamara, 86690 Red Eye. Oh, by the way, in that article from James Freeman where he talks about the fact that they contacted Fauci's National Institute of Health and said, hey, what's going on with the Wuhan virus? And they said, wow, by looking at it, what, they really don't know what's going on in the lab, so they really don't know where the money is going. And, that's when I read that, and remember, that came out the day before. That came out, sorry, but you're thinking, what day is it today? The Fauci back and forth with Rand Paul was Tuesday. And so they got this answer back on Monday, which again, when you read it, you're saying, well, what you're admitting, especially in the first part of it, that, we admit that they have multiple sources of funding, and it's impossible for us to be aware, or nor can we account for all of their activities. So what you're saying is you don't know. That's different than a no. Right. Yeah. But the problem is the fact that if you've got other experts that say, no, here it is in the grant, it shows you can use it for gain of function, well, then he's screwed. Right. If that, because he said it was interpreted by the other experts. Well, it doesn't say. Right. And how is it interpreted based on, and it could be